Hey guys, today we are going to code a matrix screensaver effect. So let's go! Firstly, let's add color to our snowflakes. To do so, we are going to use the colorize gem and the light green method. Okay, we can see that our snowflakes are now green. Then, what we want to do is not to replace the current snowflake by a space. Like this, we're gonna see that our snowflakes will form a line. So let's remove it and rerun our program. And here we go. Pretty cool, but instead of having snowflakes, we would like to have a set of characters. So let's code this. Firstly, we add a cars variable, and using ranges, we can simply define a car set. To do so, we're gonna use uppercase letters and transform it to E and repeat the operation for the lowercase characters and the digits from 1 to 9. And here we can call, instead of the snowflakes, the cars dot sample to randomly get one character. Okay, here we go. Let's run our program. 2E doesn't exist, of course, it's 2A. Sorry. Let's go. And here we go. We have a pretty cool matrix screensaver effect. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. And take the red pill.